Here we go. We're stage 2 after catching these little bees, these little critters. We put them into that box, if you saw the last video, which was just a holding box. They're buzzing around there now at the moment. And then we're going into their big house that we've just built them the last couple of days that I've had to keep an eye on Fiona to do the painting. Not a bad paint job. I think she could do with a bit more practice. In any case, we've got the smoker.
Yeah.
Jesus, bees.
See all the
Yep.
hexagons? And somewhere in there with the queen might be, so I cannot see.
Drop it in there.
Work here, we can see the
Lot more,
hexagons are starting to get good out.
Yep. Right, I'll drop him in case that queen bee flies away, eh?
And now we'll put our second level on. Oh yeah.
All done. He's starting to go in already. He must be in there, eh?
Yep.
I'll just zoom that in a bit on. You can see down there at the bottom of the box them all start, so the queen's obviously in there. If you watch down there, they'll land and go, they're going to that little slot. In they go. Yep, worried about that queen. In they go.